The personal consumption expenditure index numbers were released this morning and coming in above expectations. Well, hello there, my friends. Chris Marcus here with you for Arcadia Economics. And just a quick video today because we had some inflation data come out, which certainly is at the top of people's minds. And unfortunately, inflation still rising faster than expected. The personal consumption expenditure index numbers were released this morning and coming in above expectations. Here you can see the core PCE, which excludes food and energy, rose 0.6% after being flat in July, and this was above the 0.5% estimate. Year over year was up 4.9%. Estimate there was 4.7 and also 4.7% year over year in July. So continuing to increase relative to the estimates and the previous month, including gas and energy. The headline increased 0.3% compared with a decline in July of 0.1%. And that does include that we've seen gas prices come down. So still, unfortunately, the Fed's interest rate hikes not making as much of an impact as I think they might have hoped. So not suggesting a pause in Fed policy anytime soon, although we do have a lot of things happening in the international markets. We've talked earlier this week on the show about the troubles that the United Kingdom is having in their currency and bond markets, which caused them to revert to more quantitative easing when they were expected to start quantitative tightening. Yet, from the inflation data, not suggesting the Fed will be slowing down. Quick look at the Fed probabilities for their next meeting. Currently about 60-40, 60% in favor of a 75 basis point hike, 40% for a 50 basis point hike. So we will see if they finally slow down their rate and pace of interest rate hikes. Not much reaction so far on the markets. The stock markets in the US up less than 1%. Although, interestingly, we do see a nice little rally in gold, which has pushed it back above 1682. And silver even up a bit on the day, over $19, kind of swinging around that $19 mark, rallied, got sold off, and now has been climbing currently at 1927. So good to see silver and gold rallying a little bit, even as we have inflation a little bit higher. So just wanted to pass that along. Hope your morning's off to a good start. And I will see you in a little bit for Rafi's weekly silver report coming up at the regular time, noon central, in a little bit. See you there.